Hi, second graders. Miss Rayborn here again. So let's talk about what we've been doing in week 2 and 3, what our job is week 4, and then what you're going to do with your artwork. So in week 2, we started talking about color and emotion. And the very first thing we did was make a self-portrait that was expressing a feeling with color and emotion, like this self-portrait painted by Picasso in 1901. He was in a very sad phase of his life, and he went through a period called his blue period, where almost all of his paintings were sort of dark and gray and blue because he was feeling very sad. So in week 2, that was our first project with color and emotion, your color and emotion self-portrait. Okay. Last week, we talked about color and emotion with shapes and lines. And I love this painting from Sherry Singh Hill that is a contemporary painting. This was painted in 2018, just a couple of years ago. And it's called About Origin. Origin means the beginning. So it sort of looks like the beginning of something starting in there, doesn't it? And the colors and the shapes and the lines are really lively. And to me, that really does make me think that something is getting started there, which I think is really interesting. That was last week. This week, we're going to be inspired by color and emotion, specifically in abstract artwork. And we talked a lot about an artist named Georgia O'Keeffe. We watched a little video about her. We saw some of her artwork. This is another piece of her artwork called Series 1, Number 8. It was painted in 1919, so about 100 years ago. And I want to leave for you to decide what emotion she's expressing here. I have my own ideas about what it is, but that's why abstract art is so wonderful. I take my own personal experiences and I sort of decide what I think is happening here because of things that I've experienced or seen in my life. So this week, you're going to be inspired by Georgia O'Keeffe, and you are going to do a painting, an abstract painting of a feeling or emotion. Okay. Now, at the end of it, you are going to have the opportunity to choose one of these projects. So you could choose your self-portrait from the first week. You could choose your line and shape, color and emotion, or you could choose your abstract painting from this week after you've done your work to share. Miss Rayborn is going to make a quick little video also on how you share in Schoology since it's our first time doing it in art class. But for now, head off and enjoy. Get yourself a nice big piece of white paper from your supply kit. I'll leave the directions in about what kinds of supplies you would need to get together. I'm not going to do directions for how to paint an abstract color, an emotion painting, because you really just kind of need to feel it, right? So I'll make sure there's directions about what supplies to get out so that you feel ready. And then I want you to just go for it. Really, really enjoy that time, okay? At the end, you'll get to decide which one you want to share, your color and emotion self-portrait, color and emotion shape and line painting, or your color and emotion abstract painting. And there'll be a video to tell you how to share, okay? I can't wait to see. Bye for now.